Before we start, the link to Trojan bot will be in the description. Trojan is a bot on Telegram that allows you to buy and sell coins at blazing fast speeds. People use Trojan for many of their other features, such as referrals, copy trading, DCA orders, and so much more. I will start by going over the most simple and most used commands: buy, sell, and positions. First, with the buy command, you can either run/buy or click buy here from the start menu. When you do, it will respond by asking for the contract address you want to buy. You paste the contract address, and then enter your buy amount. $sol means you input the amount you want to purchase. Next, the sell command. You can run this from the start menu or by running /sell as well. Doing /sell pops up with this GUI. It will show all of your current positions and your total balance. You can click the hide button to hide the token, or you can click the token itself to go to the sell GUI. In the selling GUI, it shows this information: your entry point in USD/market cap, PNL in USD/Solana, the balance in tokens, liquidity, stats of the coin, and finally the renounced and selling imitation. Like the buy GUI, you can do X% too. Now, we have the positions command. This will show the information in the sell GUI, as well as your balance in your wallet and your balance in positions. You can select a coin here if there are multiple and sell from this GUI. The new pairs command can only be run through the start menu. It simply shows new coins, releasing a bit of information about each coin. The withdraw command simply lets you withdraw your Solana Ethereum at any time you please. Referrals show your referral information, how much you've made, and how referrals work. This is what the revenue sharing table looks like here. Finally, the help section shows up with this GUI, which has some basic information about Trojan, and the refresh button refreshes the page you're on. Now that I'm done with the basic things, I am going to move over to the settings tab. In simple mode, you have the option to change your language, and below that the speed of your transactions. Here you can set an exact amount to pay for each transaction. The more amount of SOL, the faster your transaction will go through. The auto buy features information is already here, so there's no point in telling you. In short, it allows you to buy a coin automatically once some conditions you select are met. Here you are able to change the buy amounts that appear on buy and sell pages. There's no use for these really. You can change your buy and sell slippage here. I keep mine both at 25%. I am going to try my best to explain to you what slippage is. It is basically saying that you will buy a coin even if the price moves up or down by a certain percent. For example, if a trader intends to buy a cryptocurrency at $100 but due to market volatility or insufficient liquidity, the order gets filled at $102, the buy slippage is 2%. If said currency were to go to $110 for example, then the buy would be cancelled because it exceeds the 2% slippage. Now, we have MEV protections for buys sells. MEVs are basically people who run bots to gain money off coins. I won't explain this in its entirety because it is really confusing, but that is basically the definition of an MEV. The Show Hide Tokens GUI shows tokens you've hidden and allows you to unhide them. Wallets show you your wallet addresses and their balances. It also lets you export your private key and import your own Solana wallet. We also have the last and final button here, the advanced mode. I'll start by going over copy trading. Here you can view wallets that are active or inactive and their names. You can click New to add a wallet, and it shows all the information here. I've already covered copy trading in my older video, it will be linked in the description. Now I will move on to DCA orders. This just shows information about your current DCA orders. The bridge section allows you to bridge tokens, with a bit of customization. Limit orders show your current limit orders. These are the final two settings, the advanced buy and sell menus. In each menu they now let you edit the slippage while buying or selling, as well as being able to do limit and DCA orders. Limit orders are telling the bot that you will buy or sell at this price, how much you want to buy, and how long you want this to run for. DCA or dollar cost averaging is when you have a set amount of funds set up and you want to buy continuously over a selected period of time. You can select a minimum price you want to buy at and a maximum. That is the final setting now.